Forget endless manual harvesting. This is how you build a sugarcane farm that works for you on Minecraft Bedrock. First, we need a water source. Dig a 1x1 hole and place a water bucket to create an infinite water source. This will be the base for all our sugarcane. Now, place dirt blocks next to the water block. You'll want to create a row of dirt blocks. Extending out the length of this row determines how much sugarcane you can grow at once. Plant sugarcane on each of those dirt blocks. Remember, sugarcane only grows next to water. Here's where the magic happens. Place observers behind each sugarcane block, making sure the red dot, the detecting face, is pointing towards the sugarcane. Next, place pistons directly behind those observers. The pistons should also be facing the sugarcane. Now, place dispensers on top of every piston. These will dispense water to break the sugarcane. To keep everything contained, place glass blocks around the outer perimeter of your farm, all the way around the sugarcane and pistons, 2 blocks high. To collect the sugarcane, place a hopper at the end of your water stream, where the harvested sugarcane will flow. Connect the hopper to a chest, or multiple chests, to store your bounty. Finally, connect all the pistons and observers with redstone dust. This creates the circuit. When the sugarcane grows to 2 blocks high, the observers detect it, power the pistons, which then push the top 2 sugarcane blocks into the water, where they'll flow into your hoppers. And there you have it, a fully automatic sugarcane farm, constantly providing you with this essential crafting resource. Enjoy your endless supply.